Yeah, we're gonna go up to the thing now. Come on.
Like that dog, like with the fence, and it looked like a Great Dane, right?
Yeah.
It looked like one, but it wasn't. He saw us, and then he was like, "Oh, they look young. I shouldn't attack them. I shouldn't attack anyone because I got trained instead of that woman."
Exactly.
If I was with that woman, I would be attacking them.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye. Do you have any times I
What?
Hey, Nos, is there an evil son?
An evil son?
Like
What the heck does that mean? What?
Yeah. The second son is... No, I mean...
Oh, you? Are you the evil
No,
son?
I mean like the second son, like... Space.
There's only one son.
No.
Yes. Yes.
And why did Scott give me those two sons?
Because Scott's crazy.
Is there such thing as a blood moon?
It's called a blood moon.
It's just a red moon.
Well, no, it's just that time of year. Scott, I gave it to you to take pictures, not to play a game.
What do you think he's going to be doing?
Scott, if you're playing a game, I'm taking it. It's just to take pictures. Yeah, get it ready.
So video, right?
You can.
Definitely video, I'm not taking...
Yeah, pictures won't come out as well as videos. You're right.
Ooh, the
Okay.
sunset is actually really...
It is a nice sunset. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, Dad, the phone makes it like way brighter.
Yeah, it looks cool, right? It's a nice sunset.
Dad,
What?
this is what a car crash looks like.
What's a car crash look like?
So basically your eyes are closed.
Yeah.
And then you see like these flashing lights. I'm gonna try it right now.
Scotty, come on.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, hey, we'll be home in like 2 minutes. We're walking over.
Why does it look like we're all going to the party? Oh, Dad, look, it's cool.
What?
It's like TikTok colors or shadows.
TikTok colors?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Did TikTok get banned again?
No.
Dad, that looks so weird. From when the tent is covering it, it looks like it's like broken.
Well, it kind of is. Ooh, there's a thunderstorm over the water. Look at it. Come here, guys. Nice sunset. Ooh. Look at that thunderstorm over there. Yeah, but far away.
Like all that gray stuff?
Yeah, that thunderstorm. Yeah. I know. Scotty, keep up real quick.
Sorry, look.
Here, guys, come over here. Here, guys, come over here. Can you see one? Well, let's keep walking. Scotty, come on, keep up. What? They're coming. Look, here they come. Ready? Oh. Ooh, let's sneak through here. Scotty. Oh, that's loud. That's why no one's standing here. All right, let's walk somewhere else. That's too loud, guys. Come on. That's ridiculously loud. Scott! Come on. Guys, come here. Keep walking. Keep walking back towards grandparents. All right, fine. Let's go sit on the wall for now. Yeah. He's right there. Can you see? Oh yeah, these are gonna be big, buddy. You like the big smoke things afterwards? Is that cool? What? Yeah, it's made out of gunpowder. See there? Is that better? What's Scott got in front of me? I can. Yeah, here. If you hold this. Can you wait, hold on.
These look like so AI fireworks.
They're not AI fireworks. Hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna put this down. Hold on. Ready?
Yeah, look at my phone. It looks so AI.
All right, better, Scott? Can you see better now? All right.
It's literally showing pink as red.
Yeah. Let me zoom in a bit. How's it going up there, Scotty? Yeah? Here, move up a little bit.
My back hurts. Yeah, it looks like people are shooting guns into the sky.
Yeah.
It looks like there's like a wall right there, and then like guns are just like making like.
Ah. How you doing, Scott, up there? You good? All right. You gotta tell me which one's your favorite one, man.
I don't have a favorite one.
You don't have a favorite firework?
Scott, you literally said like last time you said you. Oh yeah.
That one?
No.
Oh, okay. That one?
No.
Oh, okay.
I like the big and loud one.
Well, that one.
Yeah, that was one of my favorites.
That was cool.
I do like them though.
Do you? Oh, that one had a lot of colors in it.
Yeah, it looks like the 4th of
What?
July, even though it's not the 4th of July.
I don't think so. That was a bug.
Something, a bug like literally flew on my chest.
You like those kind, right? Nice.
Dad,
What?
something like flew on my chest. I don't know what, but I literally just like threw it off.
I think it was a bug, dude. Ooh, what do you think of that one? Let me turn a little bit. There we go. Oh, let me get closer to the ferry. Hold on. Am I in your way, Adam? Yeah? Oh, you like that, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's up, bud?
My video is paused the whole entire time.
It's what?
My video is paused.
Paul, oh, it's alright. There's still time. Is it going now? You're okay. It's not over yet. You're
Dad,
not...
I'm done my video.
Okay.
I'll take a picture.
Okay, you can try to take a picture. What'd you do with your phone? Scott, where's your phone at?
I'm playing guys.
Oh, okay, okay. Ooh.
Yeah, the gunpowder looks like a spider on that one.
Yeah, that's cool, right?
Oh, I like those.
Yeah,
They're my favorite, but they're really cool.
that's cool.
That little ones go inside the big one.
Ah,
That's the ones I like.
I see. That one's cool. I like that color.
It's gonna be 2 of them.
Yeah?
Oh, 3? 4.
Wow.
I like that one. Dad, why does the sound come before the fire?
What do you mean? The lights? Because
No,
light's
you like-
faster than sound.
No, like why is the sound coming before the light?
I don't know.
Oh, I see it.
Do you?
Yeah, it's gonna be right there.
That one's cool, right?
That looks like a pear.
A pear.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, that one looks. Yeah, that one I like.
Yeah?
Yeah, little ones are inside it. Oh yeah, those ones are my favorite.
That's cool.
It sounds like marbles dropping on hard floor.
Ah.
Oh, there's another one.
Mhm.
Oh, I saw that one. I'm done recording. I can't anymore. My
Okay.
hands getting tired.
Alright.
There's gonna be 2, Dad.
Yeah.
Or 3. Yeah, 3.
Oh.
I knew it.
That's cool.
And
And
there's one.
ooh, that one was cool. You want me to put you down, Scott? Okay.
You'll be on it. There's 2 coming.
Yeah, you think so?
1, 2, 2,
2?
3. There's 2.
Whoa.
There's one gonna be like right there.
Yeah.
I see it. It's gonna be down there.
Ah.
Up there. Yeah.
Ooh, that one landed in the water. Do you see that?
Oh yeah, it actually did.
Hey, Adam, you should make sure you get the finale. That'll be a... They're gonna shoot off a whole bunch. I'll let you know when. Just make sure you hit record, right? I got a thank you? What's a thank you? Oh, that one was cool. What do you think?
Yeah, that one looks like an alien like you.
Ah, I like it.
It's gonna be like all the way up there.
Yeah.
Dad, tell me when it's the finale.
Okay. Well, let me get my sunglasses off. You're crushing my head. Oh, that was gonna be a big one, no? Oh. Hi, Jaden.
It is?
What?
It's the finale?
No, it's not the finale. Hello, Steven.
Is it the finale?
Nope, no finale yet. These are longer than those other ones, guys. You're starting to get heavy, Scotty. Ooh. Ooh, what do you think of that? Oh, what about this one? Big one?
There's two.
Big one?
One.
Big one. Big one.
There's gonna be three now.
Yeah?
Dad, is it the finale?
No, you'll know when it's the finale, dude.
So like a lot of fireworks go.
Jaden, you're my hero. Oh, that one blew up on the ground.
Okay, it's the finale now.
No, it's not the finale.
That one hit the ground.
Yeah.
The longest I actually ever stayed up was on New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
Now it's the finale. Yeah, with
No,
Cruise.
it's
New
not.
Year's Eve with Cruise.
Yeah.
So 2 years ago.
No, I think it was more than 2 years ago, dude.
With Cruise?
I think it was 3 years ago.
Yeah, because last year we stayed up until like 9.
Yeah.
And then the other year we
Not the finale.
celebrated at our house because
No, it's not.
Jamie was sick.
No, it's not.
Yeah, so it was. Yeah, no, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Yeah, so Dad, it was 3 years ago.
Was it? Yeah.
That is the finale.
No, it's not.
Dad, tell me when it's the finale.
You'll know. It's usually half an hour long, so.
I'm not waiting here for half an hour.
Adam, stop. 15 minutes left. Ooh.
Guys, I'm back.
I'm gonna move over here.
Is this the finale?
Nope, not yet. Oh, that one's cool.
At least last time we had chairs.
Yeah, I know. Nothing like holding a stick and holding a kid on your head, watching fireworks. Oh.
Dad, a bug just went in my ear.
Did you eat it?
No.
Oh, okay. those are cool. Ooh, do you see the lightning and the thunderstorm over there? I saw that. Adam, if you look at that cloud to the right, you'll see some lightning in it. That was cool. See it? Watch that thunderhead over there. That was cool. There's lightning in that thunderstorm.
Dad, I saw one.
Did you? Let me see if I can
I
get.
saw one.
Let's see if I can catch some of it over there.
Oh, that's lightning. I saw
You see it? Ooh, that one was cool. Huh?
When is the end?
Almost. What do you think of that one?
Oh.
Whoa. Wow. Well, those were Halloween colors. Yeah, man. Green and purples.
Dad, is green a Halloween color?
I think so.
Like light green and dark green?
Yeah, I think like crazy greens are Halloween colors. Spooky color, yeah, man.
Oh, that was cool.
Was it? My buddy said spooky color. Green's a spooky color.
It's also
Oh.
Christmas color.
That is true. He likes Christmas just as much as he likes Halloween. Oh, that one was cool.
Dad, which one do I like better, Christmas or Halloween?
I hope you say the right one.
Halloween.
That's what I thought.
Dad, was
Ooh,
that what you were hoping me to say?
I was. Ooh, Easter. Ooh, can you feel those, Scott? Really?
Yeah, 'cause I'm high.
Oh.
Dad, that's the finale.
Not yet. Wait. Oh. Adam, maybe. Adam. That could be it.
Oh, it's the finale, guys.
Yeah, that's it. Kick my leg. Stop kicking me, bud. Yeah. Oh, there's more. Extras. Oh, maybe. Yeah, those are the ones they forgot to shoot off. That's it. Yay! What about your feet?
They feel like they're not on me anymore.
Okay, because you're... Here, Adam, can you hold us a second?
Dad, I'm gonna get off.
Don't drop that. Just hold it.
They feel like they're not on me anymore.
Okay, because you're... Here, Adam, can you hold us a second?
Dad, I'm gonna get off.
Don't drop that. Just hold it. Hold on, I'm getting you down. Hold on. Oh, you're heavy. All right, hold on. I want to get this thunderstorm. Hold on.
Dad, you said
Oh, you're heavy. All right, hold on. I want to get this thunderstorm. Hold on.
Dad, you said I was leaving.
We are, but we're not going to beat the chat. Remember, we're just going back to the house. Don't worry. Let's look at the thunderstorm over here. thunderstorm's cooler.
Going home was cooler. I'm sorry.
Oh, is it? Thanks for liking a live, Jaden. It's almost like you lived in Jersey.
Well, I'm gonna start heading back to the house while you can say.
No. Alright, hold on. Alright, thanks. See you. Alright, hold on. Alright, thanks. See you.